Hello guys, today I'm gonna be recording a pretty short video, but this is how to make some cool faces such as that. So, what you wanna do, hold on, what you wanna do is go to here, and then you see the search bar on YouTube. This is on YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's left click. Then you get this, press emoji, go to here, click on it, then copy and paste it. What you want to do is go to here, and then you can post it. Some are tagged out, and others are not. And this is just how you make some pretty cool faces, you know what I mean? I can use it for some other stuff. Oh, and also, if you're on still on computer and you don't know how to do it, how to get emojis. Here's a way to get faster. You can just go to here and have an emoji, whatever you want, like a car, I don't know. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed a really short video. Goodbye.